Welcome to the Entrepreneurship and Sustainable Development Program aimed at making Africa sustainable and globally competitive. Today, we are going to focus all our attention on Ethiopia with the ongoing construction projects and what impact they have on Africa's development and global competitiveness. My name is Nathan from Fenina Management Consultants, the company that sponsors this program. In my previous discussions, I talked about Libya's situation regarding the construction and destruction that has been taking place over the recent years in Libya, the causes and how to rebuild the country. As suggested by many scholars, I made an appeal to the African Union to praise for the rebuilding and reparation of whatever was destroyed, compensate the country for all the damages that resulted from NATO's invasion, the effects of the war, including devastations by the floods and economic sanctions. Today's discussion is about the recent and current developments in Ethiopia. We should not only weep, but learn from the challenges that we face every time and move on. Kindly subscribe, enjoy the video and its content. Then like and give your comments and opinions. You mean a lot to us and we really appreciate your participation. Ethiopia has 20 ongoing construction projects that will enable Ethiopia to overcome its sustainable development challenges, thanks to the leadership of the Ethiopian government and its people. In Ethiopia, construction is one of the largest industry sectors and, according to some estimates, the second largest employment generator after agriculture. Ethiopia's infrastructure was expanded in an attempt to create jobs and eradicate poverty. These marvelous projects will stimulate the country's economy. They include urban development projects, bridges, dams, and industrial projects. Below is a list of some of the notable projects in Ethiopia, both ongoing and completed. However, today my focus is going to be on the 4 government-funded projects in partnership with other institutions. Generally, Dawa 2 hydroelectric power plant. This one is estimated at $451 million. Construction began in March 2011 and the power station was commercially commissioned in February 2020. We have the Addis Ababa Djibouti Railway, estimated at $4 billion. It is a standard gauge international railway that serves as the backbone of the new Ethiopian National Railway Network. The railway was inaugurated on January 2018. Then we have also the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, estimated at $4.8 billion. The primary purpose of the dam is electricity production to relieve Ethiopia's acute energy shortage and for electricity export to neighboring countries. With a planned installed capacity of 5.15 gigawatts, the dam will be the largest hydroelectric power plant in Africa when completed, as well as among the 20 largest in the world. And lastly, we have the Addis Adama Toll Motorway, estimated at $145.8 million. It was the first expressway in Ethiopia and East Africa. It was officially opened to the public in September 2014. It was completed at an estimated cost of $612 million. It is able to accommodate 15,000 vehicles a day. With all the above information, let me take this opportunity to extend my sincere appreciation once again on behalf of the continent for the determination, creativity, and commitment to these projects. And with Ethiopia, and the rest of the continent success. We still have sustainable development challenges related to Africa's development trajectory. We need to ensure that the infrastructure is built and maintained by specialized personnel and knowledge transfer during the project life cycle. We need to protect the investments from being affected by conflicts. In other words, we have to get prepared to protect the investments should there be any form of aggression, like what happened in Libya, must not be allowed to happen again on any African country. In conclusion, Ethiopia is committed to ensuring that the quality of its citizens is improved through intensive investment activities like the ones mentioned above. However, it is very important to beef up security as well to protect them, and a united African army is one of the solutions. Let's not wait any longer. What happened to Libya must not be allowed to happen again. What do you think about Africa's current situation regarding the protection of our investments? Do you think by having an African defense force, we shall be able to protect our investments against external influence? Kindly subscribe, give the video a like, and leave your comment. This will enable the channel to be more lively, more exciting, and inspiring. You mean a lot to us, and we appreciate all your contribution and participation. Until next time, God bless you.